Many people do not even understand what processed fully means, and for good reason. It can be a frustratingly broad subject. Processing can mean anything from chopping to juicing to cooking and includes adding sweeteners, preservatives, and artificial ingredients. It can also mean taking out nutrients such as bleaching flour. Whole foods are foods in their clean, natural state, nothing added or taken away. It's surprising to many people how many seemingly random ingredients are used for little to no discernible reason. It's best to limit your intake of these additives to lead a healthy lifestyle, and putting more effort into knowing what you're eating will help you think more about your body overall. The perimeter is where the whole foods generally are by design, a simple map for you to use as a guideline on shopping trips. Foods that come in boxes tend to have preservatives and, unless stated otherwise, animal products contain antibiotics. Try to create a diet for yourself that varies so you get a wide range of nutrients and the unavoidable unhealthy options don't become a bad habit. The smell, the taste, and the company you shared it with all leave an imprint on us, so leaving certain foods behind is tough to picture. The good news is there are tons of ways to recreate old recipes, and restaurants are now catching on to the nutrition renaissance and changing up their menus to appeal to the more health-conscious consumer. When you reevaluate your food conventions, you're bound to find creative combinations and maybe even discover a new favorite you never had the chance to try. It can take an adjustment period, but you won't regret sparing a second glance when it comes to what you're putting in your body.